And this guide will show you how to turn off autocorrect and predictive text on your iPhone. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Autocorrect can be frustrating at times, but don't worry, you can easily turn it off and you can always enable it again later. Let's get started. First, exit any app you're using, then open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and select General. From there, tap on Keyboard. In the keyboard settings, you'll find the options for autocorrect and predictive text. You can toggle these off, and there are other options like auto capitalization and more, which you can adjust according to your preferences. After making these changes, go back to any app where you can use the keyboard. You'll notice that text won't be auto-corrected anymore. It will stay exactly as you type it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.